to Ida's Kitchen. Bienvenidos. My name is Ida Lugo McAllister, and I am going to demonstrate how to prepare a healthier version of mofongo. Mofongo consists of fried green plantains that are mashed in a wooden pilon with crisp pork cracklings, chicharrón, or fried crumbled bacon bits along with garlic, salt, broth, and olive oil. This is our pilon, mortar, and pesto, an essential kitchen tool in our culture. Once all the ingredients are incorporated into the mashed plantains, it is then formed into a ball or shaped into a dome. This year, I visited a restaurant in Juanica, Puerto Rico that served mofongo without adding any lard, butter, or pork to the fried mashed plantains. It was so delicious that I decided to create my own healthier version of mofongo. Let's start with peeling and cutting 4 green plantains. With a knife, cut both ends of the green plantain. Make several slits lengthwise from top to bottom, barely touching the flesh. Peel the green plantain using your hands. Cut the plantain into 1.5-inch pieces. Repeat these steps for the other green plantains. Let's prepare the salted garlic water mixture to soak the plantain pieces before we fry them. In a bowl, pour 2.5 cups of water. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of light salt or to taste. Stir until well blended and add the plantain slices. Soak for 1 hour, allowing the plantains to absorb the garlic powder and salt. This recipe will yield 2 1-cup servings of mofongo. Depending on the size of the green plantains, you will need at least 2 green plantains for each cup. Since I am not going to use any lard, pork, or butter, I plan to add lots of garlic cloves to season the fried plantains. While the plantain slices are soaking, let's start prepping and mixing the food items for 1 cup of mofongo, starting with peeling the garlic cloves. To peel a garlic clove, place a clove under the flat side of a knife blade and press down with the palm of your hand until you hear a crack. Now you can peel the garlic clove. The next step is to mash 2 to 3 garlic cloves using a mortar and pestle. The garlic cloves are completely mashed. We can now add the following ingredients to the mashed garlic cloves. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 2 teaspoons of chopped cilantro. 2 tablespoons of unsalted vegetable broth. 1/4 teaspoon of oregano leaves and 1 pinch of light salt. Stir well. You can also adjust the quantity according to your taste. We are ready to fry the plantains. Heat 2 cups of vegetable oil in a 10-inch skillet to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the plantain slices that have been soaking in a bowl and shake or pat dry any excess water before placing into skillet. Fry the plantain slices on both sides until they become fork tender and turn a golden color. This takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes. The plantain slices are fork tender and have a golden color. So let's remove them from the skillet. Place the fried plantains in a bowl or on a plate with paper towels to absorb the excess oil for a few minutes. We are ready to place at least 4 fried plantains into the garlic mixture. Mash them until a soft texture is formed. Let's add another 3 to 4 fried plantains and mash with pesto. You can see that the garlic mixture is incorporated into the mashed plantains. If you find that the mofongo is not moist enough, then add more olive oil and or vegetable broth. This is my healthier version of mofongo. Let's brush a 1-cup bowl with olive oil and fill with the mofongo. With the back of the spoon, press gently to pack down the mofongo and smooth the surface. To remove the mofongo from bowl, invert onto a plate until the mofongo is released. Garnish with cilantro. The mofongo is usually served as a side dish to accompany your main course. It can also be served as a complete meal when stuffed or topped with cooked meat or seafood. Even though the plantain is believed to have originated in Southeast Asia, the Africans created the mofongo dish in our culture by mashing the plantains with lard and pork. Let's taste the mofongo. The mofongo is moist with lots of garlic flavor. It is very tasty and seasoned well without adding any chicharrón or pork fat. ¡Qué rico! I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare a healthier version of mofongo. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, idaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.